In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage work using board in Smartsheet, Kanban Flow 2026. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. This is where everything begins. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. Smartsheet's layout is clean and designed to guide you toward building exactly what you need. Next, sign into your Smartsheet account. Click Sign In, choose your method, whether that's email and password or your organization's single sign-on, and complete any verification prompts. That's it. It's quick and you'll be right into your workspace. After you log in, you'll land on your home page. Think of home as your command center. Here you'll see your recent items, favorites, and anything shared with you. On the left is your navigation panel. This is where you can jump between sections and, most importantly for today, create something new. On that left sidebar, click Create. This opens Smartsheet starting points, which are pre-built ways to spin up exactly the kind of work surface you want. It's a great way to move fast without building from scratch. Scroll down until you find the new workspace starting point. A workspace is like a container for a project or team. Perfect for keeping related sheets, reports, and dashboards organized in one place with shared permissions. Choosing a workspace up front helps you keep your structure tidy from day one. You'll see multiple view-based starting points here. Smartsheet supports different ways of seeing your work, like Grid for spreadsheet-style planning, Gantt for timelines, and Calendar for date-focused views. For visual flow and status tracking, Board is the one we want. Each starting point is tailored to a specific workflow, and Board is ideal for Kanban-style task management. Click Board. Smartsheet will generate a new sheet configured in Board view. You'll typically be prompted to name it and choose where it lives. Select your workspace and confirm. Once created, your board displays columns that represent stages in your process, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. This is your Kanban flow, where tasks move left to right as work progresses. Each card on the board can hold details like descriptions, assignees, due dates, and priority. You'll also notice options to group or filter by fields such as assignee or status, making it simple to focus on exactly what matters. Keep your column names clear, keep the number of stages manageable, and consider setting conventions for card titles, so your board remains easy to scan as it grows. And that's it. You've navigated to Smartsheet, signed in, created a new workspace, reviewed the available starting points, and launched a board to manage your work using a clean Kanban flow.